just to go and cut a little bit of my hair, just to trim my ends, and I will show you the final result after. Hi guys, so this is my hair after I cut a little bit. I'm so pleased with the result. I did my headband curls, so this is the result after I curling my hair. My hair feels so fresh and nice and soft because at my mid ends tend to be more drier from my previous bleaching session. So I want just to preserve my hair health and to restart growing it out. I will redoing my balayage in September. I will have patience just to wait for my hair to grow, and after to do something with my my root, with my natural color, my dark color, because now I have coloring my roots. So I bought this therapy lotion. I want just to make sure that my thinning hair isn't get worse. So these are the files, 11. I have to use it 3 times per week for intensive treatment on damp hair, but also on dry hair you can use it. Now I just want to use this Redken set because I have been using this previous month ago. So this shampoo, I was so pleased with this, but I didn't use the treatment and leave-in. I have been using this conditioner, and I want just to make sure that I improve my hair condition. You notice that the Bond Care Complex citric acid is different, 11, 7, 13. It is a windy day because last night it was rain a lot. After the warm days we have almost 13 degrees Celsius. Now we have 20, so this cold weather is very, very nice. I just came out for a coffee and some bagel, so I will enjoy my cup of coffee.